Have you ever worried about malicious code sneaking into your web application, potentially hijacking user sessions or stealing sensitive information? It is a serious threat that can undermine user trust and data integrity. Cross-site scripting, or XSS, vulnerabilities are primarily mitigated through a combination of strict input validation, comprehensive output encoding, and the strategic implementation of a content security policy. These methods work synergistically to create a robust defense. Input validation acts as the first line of defense, preventing malicious scripts from ever entering your system by scrutinizing and sanitizing all user-supplied data. Output encoding then ensures that any data rendered back to the user is treated as plain text rather than executable code, effectively neutralizing any lingering script fragments. Finally, a content security policy, or CSP, provides an additional layer by instructing the browser which sources are permitted to execute scripts and load other resources, significantly restricting an attacker's ability to run unauthorized code. To practically apply these mitigations, developers should consistently employ a whitelist approach for input validation, allowing only expected characters and formats. When it comes to output encoding, it is crucial to use context-specific encoding functions, such as HTML entity encoding for HTML content or JS string literal encoding for JavaScript contexts. Implementing a CSP involves configuring appropriate directives in your web server or application. For example, specifying script sources self to only allow scripts from your own domain, or script sources none to completely disallow external scripts. These techniques collectively create a secure sandbox environment within the browser, where even if a small flaw exists, the potential impact of a cross-site scripting attack is significantly reduced. This defense in-depth strategy means that multiple barriers must be overcome by an attacker, drastically increasing the difficulty and reducing the likelihood of a successful exploit. Many modern web development frameworks and libraries also offer built-in features and helper functions that simplify the application of these crucial security measures, making it easier for developers to build secure applications by default. Ultimately, a diligent and continuous application of input validation, context-aware output encoding, and a well-defined content security policy forms the bedrock of protection against cross-site scripting, safeguarding both your application and your users from sophisticated web attacks.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.